Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Rani, your computer teacher. Hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Wear your mask, wash your hands frequently. Okay, be careful while you are coming out. Now, today in the session, we are going to see our second lesson book back exercises. Okay, now we are going to see our second lesson book back exercises. Okay, we will start. Our first exercise is tick the correct answer. Okay, tick the correct answer. The GUI operating system allows a user to interact with the computer by using a which one scanner, keyboard, pen drive, CD. Which one we use? By keyboard. Okay, by keyboard only we can interact with the computer. Whatever we want, we can type, only ask. We have to type, then only ask. Okay, next one, the desktop background is also called. Okay, what is a desktop background is also called? Okay, desktop background is called as wallpaper. Okay, I taught you what is this wallpaper. In the explanation video I told even our own computer can be kept as wallpaper. Okay, now the third one is the long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called as the long bar at the bottom of the desktop is called as what? Taskbar. Okay, taskbar. The taskbar is called as the called as the bottom. In the bottom of the computer there will be a long bar that is called as taskbar. Okay, in the taskbar only quick launch boxes appear and other information like date and time information is also available. Okay, then the fourth one, the power mode that completely turns off your computer system is called. Which one? Completely, if we want to switch off our system, then what we should use? We should use shut down button. Okay, shut down button. By using shut down button we can completely switch off our computer. Okay, then the next one, this power mode reduces the power used but does not turn off your computer. Okay, this power mode reduces the power used but does not turn off your computer. So which one we have to it will not turn off a computer, but the complete power would be reduced, consumption would be reduced. So which mode it is? It is a sleep mode. Okay, it is a sleep mode. Then there is a puzzle. You have to you have to read accordingly and you have to fill the puzzle. Okay, see the first question. An option that reduces the power consumption without turning off our computer. Okay, an option that reduces the power consumption without turning off a computer. So what is that option? What is that? Sleep. Okay, so here I have seen sleep, SLEEP, sleep. Okay, then the second one, the process of loading an operating system into the memory of computer. What is that? The process of loading an operating system into the memory of computer is booting. Okay, so you can see here booting. Okay, BOOTING, booting. Okay, then you can see a long bar that you see in the bottom of the desktop. Okay, the long bar that you see in the bottom of the desktop, which is fourth option, that is taskbar. Okay, you can see here TASKBAR, taskbar. Okay, then you see the fifth one, the picture in the background of the desktop. Okay, the picture in the background of the desktop is what? Wallpaper. You can see here wallpaper, WALLPAPER, wallpaper. Okay, wallpaper. Then the first one in the downstream. Okay, still or moving picture on the screen of an idle computer. What is that? First one is that is screensaver. Okay, screensaver. here you can see screensaver. Okay, screensaver. Then other one is small picture on the desktop is icon. Okay, icon, icon. Okay, this one. Okay, now like this you have to fill all the puzzle. Okay, read the sentence appropriately. According to the sentence you have to choose the related word and fill the boxes. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Dash on the blank area of the desktop, a pop-up menu will appear. Okay, pop-up menu will appear. Right click. This is a option for setting screen wallpaper. Okay, this is a background wallpaper changing. Okay, so first we have to right click on the blank area, then we have to select the desktop, then the pop-up menu will appear. Okay, then the pop-up menu will appear. Then the second one you can see, click on the personalize option. On the pop-up menu we have to select the personalize option, then the window will appear. Okay, then you see the third one, click on the desktop background. On the personalize option you have to select the desktop background. Okay, desktop background, a new window will appear. Okay, a new window will appear. On the window you have to choose the desktop background section. Okay, you have to select this and choose the location of the picture from the picture location. Okay, means you will have so many pictures on your computer, even your own pictures also should be there. Okay, you have to choose which picture, that picture you have to select. Okay, if you select the picture, location automatically will get set. Okay, select the picture that you want to set as a background, desktop background. Okay, desktop background. Then in the picture position section, choose the picture position from the drop down list. Okay, there will be a drop down, you have to select picture position. Okay, you have to select picture position, then click on the save changes. After doing all these, after doing all this, you just click on the save changes. As soon as you give save changes, your whatever the changes you did, everything will get set permanently. Okay, then we will move on to the next exercise. Name any two. Okay, name any two. If you would have understood the previous two videos, without my knowledge you will be able to write all the answers. See here, first one, operating system. What are the two operating systems available? Windows and Mac OS. Okay, Windows and Mac OS. Okay, then the second one, version of Windows. What are the versions of Windows? Windows XP is a version and Windows 7 is the other version. Okay, Windows XP and Windows 7. Then the third one, icons on the desktop. What are the icons present in the desktop? My computer and recycle bin. These are the two options. Okay, my computer and recycle bin are the two options. Okay, then you go for the fourth one, parts of taskbar. Parts of taskbar is start button and quick launch box. Okay, start button and quick launch box. Then the fifth one, power mode of computer. What are the power mode of computer? Okay, restart and sleep are the power mode of computer. Okay, restart and the sleep are the two types of power mode of a computer. Okay, these are the name any two session. Okay, now we will move on to the question answers. Okay, question answers. First question, what does an operating system do? An operating system acts as the interface between you and the computer. Okay, only the operating system being acts as a bridge between you and the computer. Okay, so what we have to write, an operating system acts as the interface between you and the computer. Okay, next, what is an icon? The icons are the small picture on the desktop. Each stands for the file, folder or a software. Okay, each icon stands for the file, folder or a software. Okay, icon is a small picture. This point first has to be written. What is icon? How it look likes. Okay, this one first we have to write. Then we have to write each stands for the file, folder and the software. Okay, then what is a recycle bin? Okay, what is a recycle bin? A recycle bin is a location where all the deleted files and folders are present. Okay, recycle bin is a location where all the deleted files and folders are present. It acts as a dustbin of a computer. Okay, it acts as the dustbin of the computer. So whatever we delete and whatever we crush and throw out, so everything would be there in the recycle bin, and there is an option to restore also. By mistake if you have deleted anything, it would be there in the recycle bin and we can restore it back. Okay, now the next question. Okay, what do you mean by the sorting the desktop icon? What do you mean by the sorting of the desktop? Sorting the desktop icon means putting them in order. Okay, putting them in order. Okay, like there will be a cluster of icons in your desktop. As I told you in the previous video, there will be a cluster of icons. There will be a cluster of icons. It will be scattered, like this would not be in arranged manner. Okay, this would not be in arranged manner. So what we have to do is we have to arrange it in a manner like alphabetically or name wise, date wise, or the file type wise, or the date of modification wise. Okay, we have to arrange it in a manner. Okay, see what all the options are there to arrange. We have to click on the name to sort the icon in alphabetic order, then click on the size to sort the size of the icon, then or we can click on the item type to place the same type of the files together, or we can click on the modified to sort by the date which they are edited. So these are the options are available. Okay, so these are the options are available, whichever we want we can use. Okay, then the last one, give the steps to change the screensaver. Okay, give the steps to change the screensaver. Okay, click on the personalize option. Okay, this screensaver option we in one exercise, fill in the blanks kind of exercise also we have done the same thing only here also. Okay, click on the personalize option. Okay, personalize option, just right click on the desktop screen anywhere, you will get a the personalize option. In the option, a new window will appear. If you click this personalize option, a new window will appear. On the window, click on the screensaver from the window. Okay, you have to click on the screensaver. Then on that, screensaver setting will appear. Okay, there screensaver settings will appear. Then in that, a screensaver setting, choose the screensaver that you want from the drop list. Okay, in the screensaver setting, you have to screensaver setting, choose the screensaver that you want from the drop down list. Okay, then the next point is click on the preview button. Okay, after setting how the screensaver will look like. Okay, that okay, you can preview it. Okay, this will show how the screensaver will look like on the screen. Okay, then finally click on the OK button, then your screensaver will appear. Okay, these are all the steps involved to change the screensaver. Same like changing wallpaper. Okay, same like changing wallpaper. Wallpaper is there in the fill up the dashes, now screensaver. Okay, that's all for the book back exercises. I think I have covered all the book back exercises including the question answers. These question answers has to be written in your classwork. Okay, these question answers has to be written in your classwork. You have to write all the 5 questions in your classwork. Okay, submit your classwork if possible. Then thorough with the two lessons, because these two lessons are the portions for your midterm exam. Okay, your midterm exam portions are these two lessons only. Okay, how often you see the video, that much the content will come and set in your mind. Okay kids, now we have to end the session. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.